What's up guys, Toybox47 here. Today I'm going to teach you how to make Melya coffee. Melya coffee is a very simple drink to make, and it has a very distinct taste from other types of coffees. To make this drink, you will need coffee, a grinder, a cup, a teaspoon measuring cup, I guess, cocoa powder, honey, a spoon, and an espresso machine. First, prepare your espresso.
That's right, for a limited time, you can get a limited edition.
Just kidding, I don't have money for merch. Anyways, first grind and prepare your espresso. Make sure to use fresh grounds, but make sure that your coffee is evenly distributed on the portafilter, so the water comes out of the nozzles evenly. Then flatten your espresso and start warming up your machine. Now, get your cup. Put 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder in it. I'm using 2 teaspoons because I'm using a double shot of espresso. Now, put 1 teaspoon of honey, or use 2 teaspoons for a double shot. I usually just pour honey without measuring the amount. So, now you have this chalky mixture that looks like it won't stir, but it does. Grab your spoon and stir the mixture until it looks like a chocolate frosting. Now you can start brewing your espresso, and as soon as it is done, pour it in the cup. I'm making mine a double shot. Now stir the espresso with your mixture. Stir until you cannot feel anything with your spoon. If you want to, add some cream or half and half, or turn it into a latte. You can do this by heating and steaming milk, either with a handheld frother or a frother attachment on my espresso machine. And if you made one, I like detailing my lattes with a little bit of honey. In conclusion, Melya coffee is a fun, unique coffee, which is very simple to make, and it tastes amazing. It's very hot though, very hot.